How to change color of taskbar on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will show you how you can change the color of your taskbar. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, you can then find on the left hand side something called personalization. Tap on it. After you're on the personalization section, you'll find colors. Tap on colors. After you're here, you will need to make sure that the choose your mode option is set to custom or dark. So I'll just select dark. And after selecting dark, you can then see that the taskbar color changes as well. Now you can select an accent color. So I'll just select manual and let's say I'm going to choose red. After that, you'll need to make sure that you enable show accent color on start and taskbar. So enable this and you can see the color of your taskbar change. And there we go. That's how you change the color of your taskbar on your Windows device. And that's basically it guys. That's how you do it. That's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.